Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm going to help you guys unleash your inner baddie and serve up some serious fierce looks. And this is just to help you guys unleash your inner confidence in this kind of way. So this is definitely going to help me, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. So the first step to this baddie makeup look is prepping your skincare. So we're gonna start out with this lotion by Cetaphil. Just one pump is necessary. And I'm going to be putting it all over my face, and then we're gonna go in with a primer. Actually, sorry, I lied. We're not going to go in with a primer. We're going to go in with the Hydrating Serum by Neutrogena. And the serum is to lock in the moisture before the primer and the foundation. Now we're going to go in with the primer. The primer by L'Oreal, 24-hour pore minimizer. And we're just going to be putting one little pump. Okay, that's more than a pump. And to make sure that your smoky eye and your baddie eye, that makes no sense. To make sure that your smoked out look stays all day, you want to prime your eyes with the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. And I just went, oh, that was a big bird. So we just primed the eyes, and now I'm going in with my by Mario palette. This is the Master Matte, and I'm going to take a darker smoked out shade and just put it in my crease. I'm actually putting it on my lash line too. I am going to be cleaning that up. I'm not going to be using any kind of shadow on my lids, but I'm going to be now taking the House Labs paint, and this is in a green shade. This is like a pigment, and I'm going to be putting this on a very thin brush. I'm going to be just connecting it to the smoked out look and putting it in my crease as a line. And I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I'm going to clean up the smoked out part. I'm going to go in with my concealer, and after I desperately have to fix my brows. Part of the baddie makeup look, you need to have just everything concealed. Part of this Baddie makeup look is having bold brows. I have to make sure it's perfect and filled in. And now I'm going to go back in with the palette, and I'm going to take that same shade and put it on my lower lash line, just to bring the shades down, make it smoky. And I am going to finish off with the face before I go on to my lashes. So let's bronze away and make the contour sharp. And I do want a snatched nose, very precise. Now I'm going to blend in all the harsh lines. You must do that. I hate when people don't do that, it annoys me so much. And now for a little bit of blush, I'm taking my favorite liquid blush. I'm now going to set that with my Makeup by Mario powder blush, just to make sure it doesn't budge. And for a glowy highlight now, my favorite part, I'm going to put this on the high points of my face, so my cheeks, tip of my nose, the bridge. I'm not going to put it on my forehead, but everywhere else. Oh, I love how I have green on my finger. And I'm now gonna go in with my Too Faced Killer Black Liner, and I'm putting this on my waterline. It is now time to curl the lashes, so I'm going to curl it and then go in with my individual lashes for a little bit of fluff. Lashes could be so hard to apply if you're just like starting out. So I just put a little bit of glue on the strip and I let it just get a little bit, I just get a little bit tacky first. I need to let it dry a little bit. But some people like to put it directly on their eyes and then just let it sit, but I like to let it get tacky. I think it's easier. And we're almost done here. I'm now gonna go in with my mascara for my lower lashes, and this is by Essence. And then I think, what's last? I think just lips are last. That's awesome, okay. I do just want to apply some highlighter in my inner corner and under my brow. So I put some highlighter in my inner corner just to like brighten up the whole eye. And now I'm going in with my Revlon. I know, I have not used Revlon I think ever in a video, maybe once, like years ago. But this is by Color Stay. Not by Color Stay, it's Revlon Color Stay. And this is... and this is a satin lipstick.
Oh my god, this is so heavy.
You know, this is actually more glossy and than like satin and inky and like a lipstick. This is more of a gloss, but I still like it. It's kind of moisturizing. But anyways, so this is it for the Baddie makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I helped you guys unleash your inner Baddie. I mean, I feel like I did, kind of, somewhat. Okay, fine, maybe not yet, but I'm working on it, you know? This definitely helped. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!